Greetings fellow explorers, welcome to EduChronicles, and today our mission is to explore the linear models of curriculum development. Along our journey, we'll explore three major models that mark different points in history: Tyler's rational model, TABA's grassroots model, and the standard-based curriculum model. So, get ready to activate your learning goggles and power up the EduChronicles time machine. Buckle up, time travelers, we're heading to our first destination.
We've arrived on the late 1940s, where education is more systematic and goal-oriented. Here we met Ralph Tyler, the foundation of modern curriculum development. Tyler believes that everything in education should begin with clear objective. Teacher must identify what learners should know and be able to do. His models follows a clear sequence from setting objective, selecting learning experiences, organizing them, and finally evaluating outcomes. Everything in curriculum connects logically. What you plan should match how you teach and how you assess.
Tyler's model is widely known for its clarity and structure. It provides teachers with a solid guide to follow, making planning and evaluation more consistent. It is also very practical because it helps teachers focus on what really matters in learning. When teachers know the goals, they can choose learning activities that directly support these goals.
Even with all its strengths, the model also has some weaknesses. It can be too rigid for real classrooms that often change. It focuses too much on the final results and not enough on how students learn. Since teachers set all the objectives, students may have less chance to explore their own interests and creativity in the learning process.
Welcome to 1962. During this time, Hilda Taba introduced a new idea known as a grassroots model. Unlike Tyler's top-down approach, Taba's model starts from the classroom level. Teachers identify students' needs and build the curriculum from the ground up. It follows 7 major steps: diagnosing needs, setting objectives, selecting and organizing content, selecting and organizing learning experiences, and evaluating results. Taba believed that teachers are not just implementers of the curriculum, but designers who adapt learning to real classroom situation.
Taba's model empowers teachers and values her expertise. It is flexible and allows teachers to adjust lessons based on her students' needs. Most importantly, it is student-centered and begins with real learning experiences.
But there are also challenges. The model can be time-consuming because teacher must design the curriculum themselves. It may lead to inconsistency between schools, and it can be difficult to be applied in systems where standardized testing and top-down policies are dominant.
In today's education, everything revolves around clear standards and competencies. This model follows a simple process: setting standards, designing curriculum, implementing instruction, and assessing results. It focuses on accountability where teachers, schools, and all students work toward achieving the same learning goals. Students assess not only by what they know, but what they can actually do.
This model provides clarity and consistency across schools. It promotes accountability and helps students aim for mastery and real understanding. However, it can sometimes limit creativity because teachers must closely follow set standards. And since learners have different needs and learning paces, one-size-fits-all standards may not work for everyone.
And that wraps up our time travel journey through the linear models of curriculum development. Remember, explorers, no single model is perfect. What matters most is how we use these frameworks to make learning meaningful. Until our next adventure, this is